What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be putting my first case on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So Poetic sent this out to me. I'll drop a link in the description where you guys can go pick this up. This is the Poetic Spartan case, and let's get into it and check it out. I think this is the black and clear one. So here we are. So some of the specs on this has a tempered glass screen protector, kickstand, hinge protection, and it's MagSafe compatible. So a few of the specs there. So in the box, you're going to get your paperwork here. Let's open this up and see what we got in here. All right, so these going to be replacement adhesive strips. So you got, there's one there. And let's see if there are more. So you get one of them there, replacement adhesive strip. You're going to get your wet and dry wipe right here. Screen protector accessories. Get an extended warranty card here as well. And then here's the case. Like I said, it has a tempered glass screen protector here. This is the front piece. Let's go ahead and take the outer piece off as well. There we are. So here it is, very thin. And then you got our hinge, the back piece, I should say, with the hinge protection here and kickstand. So here it is, clear and black, kind of a frost, a little frost, but not much. And let's go ahead and drop it on the Z Fold 8. I have been loving this device. It is slippery, so we're going to go ahead and clean the string first. And I'm glad I got this because so far I haven't bought a string protector for it, so this will work. All right, so they just give you dust. Yeah, they give you an alcohol pad, microfiber cleaning cloth, and the dust removers. So we're going to go ahead and clean this up. Make sure no dust or anything is on the display. So I'm going to go ahead and take my little microfiber cleaning cloth and get that extra alcohol off of there. All right, let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good. I'm going to take the dust stickers anyway. Dust removal stickers, I should say. All right, so there it is. We're going to pop the front piece on. Just trying to see if there's a sticker there, but I didn't see one. So it pops in place just like that. There it is. Let's go ahead and put the back piece on. So there's supposed to be an adhesive sticker, and that's why you're supposed to read the instructions, but we're going to give it a try without that. See how this works out. So there we are. There it is, popped in place there. Do have some smudges here, but that's from the lotion on my hands. And here it is. There it is now, popped in place all the way around. Taking a look at the bottom of it, you guys can see your two microphones there, your charging port and your speaker. This side here, you're wide open for your fingerprint power button, and your volume up and down are marked right there, positive and negative. You do have some nice grip going around the outside of it there. At the top, you got your other speaker, two microphones, and then here's your hinge protection. And this is going to be a kickstand as well. So there's this kickstand. We will demonstrate that. Do have some Poetic branding. And then here's the back. You can see the color of your device here. You got nice, deep protection there for your cameras. And then you're going to have your MagSafe ring right here. And yeah, this feels pretty good, man. It adds a little bit of bulk to the device, but the device is pretty slippery by itself. Let's go ahead and try out the fingerprint. As you guys see, it worked. No issues there. Let's try the volume up and down. Let's do the fingerprint one more time. There it is. Right in, volume up and down, worked great. See if I can do the edge panel. No issues there. All corners are working. No issues there. Looks great. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here it is. No issues here. Looks and feel great, man. So you got your cutout for your earpiece up here as well. And a good fit. Excellent fit on here as well. And also your hinge protection as well. So if I wanted to use the kickstand to watch stuff vertically or horizontally here, I can watch my movies or whatever right here with the kickstand out like that. Here it is. A little clever way to put the kickstand as well. Just hides in place just like that. That's what it looks like with the hinge protector. Looks nice, feels great. So let's check out MagSafe charging. Got my little puck right here. Let's go ahead and drop it on there. As you guys see, it is charging it. No issues there. The magnet seems like it's pretty strong. Yeah, man, this is the Poetic Spartan case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Rugged case. Looks very nice. Going to have some great protection. You get your hinge protection. You get a kickstand. Get a built-in screen protector as well. So everything you need right here. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below. Will H, I'm out.